How to create a Facebook-based event. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up the steps. So for that, you may open up your Facebook application. And then once you open it up, log in into your account. Now from here, if you're on your official account, tap on the menu bar at the top right. After that, switch over to the page in which you are trying to create an event. Go ahead and tap on that page and wait for your account to be switched. Once your account is switched, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, what you can do is simply tap on the menu bar from here as well at the top right. And then after tapping on it, from the given options on the screen, locate up the option called Events, which is under Ad Center. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on Events here, it will show you for you piece of events. In order to create your own, at the top right, you can easily find a plus icon. Go ahead and tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you may enter up the details that you would about your event. So the first thing is entering up your event name. For example, we have, let's say this one right here. After that, your start date and time. You may tap on it. After that, you may share your starting date and your starting time. And you can also repeat the event, turn it on if you want. After that, we have this option of is it in person or virtual. So you may go ahead and enter it up here, like if it is in person or virtual. After that, what are the details about the event? Just go ahead and enter it up in the description box. After that, we have other options. You may locate it up and tap on create event in the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Once that is done, your event will be created. You can even invite people into your event directly. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to basically start off your event, create up an event on your Facebook page. So that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.